What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Like always, I'm bringing to you the best tools out there, so let's get straight into it. So today we're going to be looking at 10 programs you should definitely have on your computer. If you have a brand new installation of Windows, or if you just got a new computer, these are the 10 programs that you must definitely install on your computer. Let's get straight into it. The first one is WinRAR, which is a very popular software. Basically, it allows you to access compressed files. So you're going to be downloading files, you're going to be compressing files, you need a tool that's going to allow you to do just that. So go ahead straight away and install WinRAR on your computer, and it's going to help you. The latest versions of Windows definitely come already with such a soft piece of software, but I still like WinRAR because it offers such a complete usage for different file compressed file extensions. So it supports .iso, it supports .zip, it supports .rar, and all these different compression files. So I really like WinRAR for that all-round approach. So definitely go ahead and install WinRAR. The second piece of software you're going to be needing is OBS Studio. If you're into recording, you want to record your screen, or you want to share your screen, or whatsoever you have to do which entails capturing your screen, capturing your video feed from your webcam, then you want to use OBS. It's totally free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. I really like it a lot because it helps me actually record this video right now, and it's also very helpful in Zoom calls and all. So basically you can pass your webcam feed through this software and project it onto any other software that is requiring video from you. So it's an amazing piece of software. Definitely check it out. The next piece of software, for those who are into reading, if you like reading like I do, you definitely want to have this piece of software, a Creator Reader, which allows you to read different ebooks directly from your computer. I like the simple and minimalistic interface. It doesn't really clutter you with a lot of things. It has a modern and intuitive design, a bookstore available, and a cross-device synchronization feature. So it's really great for those who are into reading. You can add some notes, you can add comments into your books, and it has just a lot of features. So definitely, if you're into reading and you have a whole bookshelf in your computer, definitely check out this reader. It's going to help you a lot. The next piece of software we're going to be seeing is it's actually Google Chrome, the browser. So Google Chrome, as you can see right now, I'm currently using Edge, but Google Chrome is like the most popular browser out there for so long as I can remember. Google Chrome was at the top, but right now Edge is slowly taking over. Edge, which is from Microsoft, but definitely this is one of the first pieces of software you install on your computer, a browser which allows you to access the whole internet. So definitely check out Chrome. It still has a beautiful interface and a lot of useful features. It's true that a lot of people have been taking it down recently, but I still like it, and I definitely have an installation of it on my computer. The next piece of software we're going to be looking at is called LibreOffice. Generally, you want to use the Microsoft Office, but if you can't afford to pay for it, then you want to check out this free version, which allows you to edit documents and work on your different documents. So LibreOffice, like the name suggests, is free, and you're going to be able to use it at ease. It has all of the features, or at least most of the features that Microsoft Office has, and it's also, I think it works pretty well. It's definitely not Microsoft Office, but it still works pretty well. So if you can afford for Microsoft Office, you can check out this one as well. The next piece of software we're going to be looking at is ClipClip, and ClipClip is the clipboard manager that you actually need. So as you copy and paste different items, they get overwrites. The way you copy something new, it overwrites what was there previously. But with this piece of software, it's going to allow you to have multiple copies of some sort of a history that you can access at any time. So ClipClip is a very advanced clipboard manager piece of software which comes with a lot of features, and whoever uses a computer always has to copy and paste multiple times. So you want to definitely make use of this software. It's going to be of huge help for you. So the next piece of software we're going to be needing is WhatsApp. So you have a fresh installation for those who have WhatsApp, which is a good chunk of the world's population. Now we have the desktop version of WhatsApp, which you can link to your phone as well. So the same messages you're getting from your phone, you're going to be receiving it on your desktop, and you can easily send and receive messages from on here. So WhatsApp should be one of those pieces of software you install on your first fresh new computer. So definitely check it out. You can go to the Microsoft Store to get it installed, and so it's going to be of help for you. Then the next piece of software that we're going to see is actually called Power Toys. Power Toys. And so what are Power Toys? Basically, they're a customization feature for your Windows PC. They come with a lot of different options which allow you to customize your PC in different ways. So we're going to check out Power Toys and see a little bit what it looks like. So we're going to head to the Microsoft Store and see what it looks like. So yeah, opening the Microsoft Store, let's go with the second link. Okay, so here we have a little description of what the Power Toys features are going to be. You can click on this link, which is going to take you to the installation where you can download the setup. And here are some of the features. You have Advanced Paste, which is an advanced paste tool that enables you to paste the text from your clipboard into any format needed. You have Always on Top, enables you to pin windows above other windows with a quick key shortcut. You also have Power Toys Awake, designed to keep a computer awake without having to manage its power and sleep settings. This behavior can help when running time-consuming tasks. You have the color picker, you have the command not found, you have the crop and lock, you have environmental variables, you have fancy zones, which is a window manager that makes it easy to create complex window layouts and quickly position windows to these layouts. You have the file explorer add-ons, you have file locksmith, host file editor, image resizer, keyboard manager, mouse utilities, mouse without borders, peek, power rename, which allows you to rename multiple files easily, Power Toys run, quick accent, registry preview, screen ruler, shortcut guide. And so you see, I think you get the point here about the Power Toys. It's like a Swiss knife which comes with a lot of features that allow you to do a whole variety of things. We can't really get into it right now, but this is definitely a useful software to have on the fresh installation of Windows. So that's another software. Let's move on to the next. Finally, we have the king of kings of video players, VLC Media Player. And so this is a very old media player which has been updated recently, or which is constantly being updated, and it's like the OG of video players. It has been here for a very long time, and it continues still ruling the video player well with their simplicity and with their straightforward use. So it supports a tons of files, and it's really as simple as it gets. So there are definitely new video players that are on here, but I still always revert to VLC because it's just simple to use. Just download it, play your videos, and you don't think about anything much. You don't have to worry about fancy screens or anything. It's just straightforward. So yeah, so there you have it, guys. Those are the 10 pieces of softwares you should definitely have on your computer, which are whenever you have a fresh installation, you should have these pieces of software because they're going to provide a lot of value for it. So let me know in the comments which was your best or your most preferred piece of software and the ones that you have right now installed. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.